Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch or would like to purchase at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Cartier Panthere de Cartier watch, the small model in stainless steel with a diamond bezel, reference W4PN0016 with a retail price of $9,250 as of 2026, and you can get it a lot less than that at jazztime.com. I'm going to tell you about the case bezel dial bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with just a little history. Now, Cartier is one of the longer standing watch companies out there. They're even older than Rolex and not quite as old as I think AP and Patek, but they've been around for quite some time, over 100 years. I think, yeah, that's a long time. And they are one of the top watch sellers. I think as of last year, it was Rolex, Cartier, and Omega were the top three spots, or something like that. It might have been Cartier 2 or 3, but it's definitely up there. Not quite Rolex, of course, but it's still up there. And they make some great pieces. They make a lot of collections of watches, one of which is the Panther. And I would say the two most popular lines or collections are the Panther, which is what you see here, where it has this square look to it and this signature bracelet, and the Santos for men mostly. Okay, so this is the Panther. It's a really popular and iconic watch, I would say, for females. So let's start talking about it, starting with the case. The case is going to be small, and it has a dimension of 23 by 30 millimeters. Okay, 30 millimeters from top to bottom, 12 to 6, and 23 millimeters is going from left to right. Just to give you a little reference, the Rolex Datejust, the smallest they make is 28. So this is 23. It's even smaller than that, at least going left to right, 9 to 3 o'clock position. And it has a thickness of only 6 millimeters, and that's because it has a quartz movement, which I'll get to in a little bit. But basically, it's a very thin, beautiful watch that looks very feminine and can fit on your wrist. Fits pretty much anyone's wrist here, okay? All right, so that's the case, and it has the signature look of the Panther, which is not just a curved case, as you see. It actually has a beveled edge to it, and it really it's the detail in the casework that I think makes the watch stand out. It's not super elaborate, but it is nicely done. It looks very feminine, very beautiful, and it extends down the length of the case, which in my opinion makes the watch just look really nice. And it has a beautiful cavacon here. At the crown, they fix it with what they call a synthetic blue spinel. Okay, so the crown basically has this blue spinel on it, and Cartier is really known for that. And yeah, looks quite beautiful if you ask me. All right. Okay, let's move on here and look at the bezel. Now the bezel, they did this one with diamonds, and if you think about it, with a retail price of just $9,250, this watch is quite a bargain considering that it does have diamonds. A lot of watch companies would just charge $10,000 just for the diamond bezel itself, such as Rolex. And so here you get the watch and the diamonds, and a retail price of only $9,250. And by the way, you can get it for even less than that at jazztime.com or by clicking on the link in the description below. Okay, so that's the diamond bezel, and they did it nicely. It's not, overbearing on the watch. There's small diamonds, but it's a small watch. Okay. All right, and let's move on to the dial here. Now, Cartier almost always does a white, or they actually call it silver dial, but to me it looks white. Okay, and you almost always do these Roman numerals, which is a signature of Cartier, and they do these blue sword hands. That's sort of their signature look. Why? Probably because it looks beautiful and it has a very high-class look to it. So yeah, that's their look. Okay, that's the dial, and yeah, let's move on to the bracelet here. The bracelet is incredibly supple, and I like it in that it has many links. In fact, it has 5 links across that make it look, when you have more links, it makes the watch band more comfortable on the wrist, and this one is no exception to that. I think that the bracelet pairs with the head of the watch quite well, and it really gives the Panther the signature look. Okay, that's the bracelet. Let's look at the movement now. The movement here is what gives this watch the thinness and also keeps the price down. You know, price is an important factor. You know, you don't want to be paying massive amounts of money for your watch, and so keeping it with this quartz movement, which means that the watch runs on a battery. It's not an automatic movement that requires a ton of work with it. They just put a battery in it and it runs. Now you might think that's a little cheaper. Yes, it is cheaper, but it also keeps the cost down. That's why this watch is $9,000 and probably not $20,000. If it was mechanical, it probably would cost $20,000, which would make it out of the range of some people. So yeah. Okay, anyways, and also requires more work. The battery run watch does not require any work. You can just leave it and it'll run all the time. All you have to do is change the battery every few years. Okay, it's time to try this watch on my wrist and give my thoughts. I think the Panther is one of Cartier's iconic watches. They make it in a lot of variations. The steel with the diamond bezel, it's one of their most basic ones, but it doesn't mean it's bad. It's still a great looking watch. And so for the price and the size and everything about it, availability, I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. And if you'd like to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on show more to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazztime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.